We use formulas all over in mathematics, and we'll be looking briefly at how to utilize formulas and sometimes solve for one variable within the formula. So mathematical formula is an algebraic equation stating a relationship between two or more variables. There's so many mathematical formulas, including the Pythagorean theorem, where a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b are the legs of two right triangles, and c is the hypotenuse. The area of a triangle, which is 1/2 base times height, and the circumference of a circle, which is pi times diameter. We are often asked to evaluate a formula for a given variable. So our simple interest formula is interest equals PRT, where P is the principal, R is our rate, and T is our time in years. So the question says 2 years after investing $2,000 into an account, you receive $200 in interest. Find the annual interest rate of the account. Well, we know that interest equals principal times rate times time. The interest we receive is $200. The principal we invested is $2,000. We do not know our rate. That's what we're trying to find. And our time in years is 2. Solving then for R, we find that our rate is 5%. Sometimes, though, we want to solve a formula for a given variable. Again, working with our simple interest formula, interest equals principal times rate times time, we want to solve this for R, meaning I'm trying to isolate R by itself, or get R equals. In this case, since P, R, T are all being multiplied together, I'm going to divide both sides by PT. In dividing both sides by PT, I find then that I'm left with R by itself. So I get R equals my interest divided by my principal times my time. In this formula, it asks us to solve for P. We already have a P equals. However, we have another P in the equation. So we're going to have to perform some algebra in order to get 1P equals. I'm going to start by multiplying both sides by 5. This will give me 5P equals 2 times R minus 2P, because 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now I need to distribute, meaning this 2 needs to get distributed to the R and to the negative 2P. So I have 5P equals 2R minus 4P. I'm now going to add 4P to both sides. In doing so, I am getting one common set of P variables. 5P plus 4P is 9P. I have 9P equals 2R. And now I need to divide by 9 in order to get P by itself. So I end up with P equals 2R divided by 9.